So I wait. Let's see if I. Nope. I'll do it again then. Got a reply. So I did it the first time, and I got a MySQL connection not available. I don't know if that is something to do with refreshing on Python Anywhere or something, but kind of annoying.
So my wake up time did not populate correctly. My profile. Oh, so my profile's not quite right either.
Wait, so are you looking at the database?
So no. I'm just looking at, so I clicked edit and then I went to both of the forms.
Yeah, so I think the wake up one definitely doesn't. I think I need to fix the profile one to be working with the new country code and phone number.
Exactly.
But it gets everything else, I think.
Well, right, email address and name. Yeah. So let's see if I get a wake up text though. That would be the coolest. Or is always on not even up yet?
It's not up yet, but oh wait, you have a minute. Here, edit your time maybe to be like in 5 minutes, and I'll see if we can add the task.
Okay. So I'll wake up at 4:35 a.m. Okay, I did that.
Okay. So I just got to find the right directory to this thing. /home/news. home/news/my site/ always on.py. Create. Okay. It says the state of it is starting.
Of the task?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So it's got 4 minutes to get up and running. Phone number.
Here, I just need one screenshot from you.
Of
like the sign up form basically. And I just need it to have like the iPhone, like the battery stuff in the top.
Okay.
And then I need it to be square, not with the notch.
Yeah, it won't have the notch. What do you is it fine just to be the wake up info, like the days?
That's what's best. Yeah, if it's the wake up info, the days and or times.
And the pledge amount?
Sure.
Okay. This is going into Slack. okay. That should be there.
Okay. So that won't match our other ones, but I think that's okay. Oh, crap.
It still says the state is starting. So, not really sure.
Refresh.
Yeah, I just
maybe.
refreshed.
Alright, that's not going to be any better, so.
Wow.
Perfect.
Cheat 1995 is back. It is getting to the bottom here. And it's getting tough, actually. Getting kind of tough. Trying to hook up everything, make sure everything works. It is not easy, and we do not have much time. No text, Drew?
No.
It still says it's starting. Maybe I'll try that reload looking button. Plus 3. 2. I have 3.
Okay.
So you're gonna send data to the form instead of receiving. Is the name and the method suggests. Yes. See, I'm taking data from our database and I have to make it back so that a form can handle it. Our forms can handle it, which has like a country code and stuff, where the database holds it like this. So I have to split it up to make it work. That's what I'm trying to do here. I need to test that these numbers are actually correct. But that should be close. And then we'll use that here.
Our product hunt is all done. It's all ready.
Nice work.
It looks beautiful.
Good.
The pictures I got are so good. I ended up screenshotting our site, and it looks just like super professional.
Is there any way we can both look at it?
I mean, I can just send you this link, I think. Just sent you the link in Slack.
Okay, sweet. Let's take a look at that.
And then you can decide if you want me to add the graphic as well.
Ooh. Hahaha. I like how you have the story.
Do you want the the angel devil graphic as one of our images as well, or leave it with the 4 that I've got?
I think that one being the main one might be good.
Being the first one.
Yeah, being the first one.
Okay.
So you found me as a maker, so that worked?
Yep.
Man, I must have like multiple maker accounts. That one's connected to my Facebook. And I think I have one with Twitter too.
I mean, I can do it to a different one if you want.
So I think the main one I use is the Noah W. Bragg.
Okay, Noah W. Bragg, so that's the difference.
With Twitter. Oh, that's weird. Or maybe it's my old Twitter handle, which is Noah Bragg with 3 G's. I guess it doesn't update, so it must be Noah Bragg with 3 G's.
So I'm removing the other one. Noah Bragg with 3 G's. Yeah, with you like jumping in the snow.
Yep.
That's what you want?
Yep.
That's the one you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Okay. We need to switch to live Stripe in the next hour and 15 minutes.
Yep. So that task still says it's starting. My guess is, I think we've seen this before. My guess is that means something errored out.
Okay, so I mean there's a log for it, right? Did you click the log?
Was that on the task screen? Where's the log?
Yeah.
View task log. Here we go. Permission denied. So yeah, it just gets a permission denied.
From what?
That's all it says. it just says home snooze, permission denied, task preparing to start. Do we have to like do a change mod on it maybe? I kind of remember something like that, possibly.
Is it because of our account? Did you upgrade the account?
Yeah, it's an upgraded account.
Okay.
Not Tuple, what? I'm not currently looking at the task. I guess I should. That's probably more important.
You're not looking at what?
I'm not looking at why the task isn't running currently.
Oh. Well, let's see. So, I mean, the landing page and all of our launch stuff is done. So that's the top priority. The second priority after that is just that users can sign up correctly.
Yep.
And we can store all their information. Is that true?
Yeah, it seems to be true. I'm just updating. I was just working on making it so the phone number edit link works in the form. But otherwise, I think everything is true. I haven't tried deactivating yet. But that shouldn't be a problem, hopefully.
Is there something I should be doing or not really?
I was just searching that task, why the permission denied. Enter the path to instead of a command. Ah, I see what I did. I have to enter a command. I didn't know that. I thought I just entered a path.
Oh, I gotcha. Yeah, I remember that's different from like scheduled tasks.
Create. I know I did that before. Okay, says it's starting. Hey Cheat 1995, do you know why for on line 6 here. With the links, I'm getting this error. String indices must be integers, not tuple. Why are they tuples? Trying to get the length. Oh, need a colon. That's why I found it. Boom. Exactly what I wanted. Perfect. Okay. So the phone stuff should work after this. Wow, we are about to the 23-hour mark. That's pretty crazy.
That is crazy.
For me, I feel like the time's really actually gone pretty fast.
It went fast until about midnight for me.
Mm-hmm.
Since midnight has definitely dragged.
Okay, I'm gonna look at this task. Still says starting, so maybe we have another issue. Let me look at the log. Okay, so this is good though. On line 1, import PyMySQL, no module named PyMySQL. So we gotta install that probably.
Yeah, here, I'll send you the link.
Yeah, it's the user thing.
It's the installing, yeah, exactly. So pip 3.6 install -- user, and then whatever you want. Whatever package.
Oh, the eyes hurt. They burn.
For me, it's just like my stomach. I don't know, it feels like, ugh.
Okay, that was successfully installed. Stats running. Or state. So Apparently it's running.
So I'm just going and changing my wake up time to 5:02.
Okay.
Okay. So hopefully I'll get a text at 5:02. You didn't delete the user data again, did you?
Nope. You made that change?
I did.
So yeah, it says your wake up time is 9. Wake up time minutes is 2.
Yeah, that's right. Is this all we need to do now is test these always on things?
I think so. Yeah, we got to get that working. Fix updating the phone to form.
Come on, I just want to know if it'll work.
Were you in love with him?
I guess we'll never really know.
Justin, when did I sleep last? Well, I woke up at 6 a.m. yesterday. So I guess then, 23 hours ago. Alright, it just turned 5:02, so either I should get a text message, Noah, or you should see an error in the
Well, you don't have a
always
text
on
message
task.
yet. Or, okay, your number, I think, is right. So,
Oh, but well, yeah, no, that should just work.
no error.
Oh, yeah.
It says state running.
No text message.
Well, that could mean I guess there's another option. So it's gonna check. Send wake up text. Let's check. So there's gotta be. See if there's anything in the database. Anything in the queue. Nothing in the wake up queue.
Okay. Oh man.
Okay, so keep track of messages being sent.
Do we have debug logging integrated? Not really, Alpha Dog J. Basically, rough print statements.
Hmm. Still says it's running, but nothing here. Do you want to look at the code, see if there's any logic things of why it wouldn't be? So here, I'll send you the users right now.
What about look at the like web app logs? Did you do that?
Doesn't look like there's been anything new in there.
We Dreamer, we've been awake for over 23 hours now.
Yeah, take a look at that. I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I expected. So that looks good. How many devs? Just two of us. Just Noah and I. Okay. Hi, Nichols. Um, wow, I can't believe there are 20 of you at 5 in the morning. You know, Harry, all the code is written, and all of our sign up stuff has been tested. Now we're just testing the always on code that's gonna actually send out the wake up texts.
Hey Drew,
Yeah.
I was just thinking, did you put that you should wake up today in the settings?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
I was like, oh,
And
that could be it.
I confirmed that it shows that in that screenshot you sent.
Yeah, for Sunday. Unless it thinks that it's Saturday.
Alpha Dog, where do you... Wow, 12:09, 9 p.m. Where are you that it's 9 p.m.? What continent do you live on? No, I have people from all over the world on mine.
That's pretty crazy. I know, that's what I'm saying. We got to get the time zones working.
Holy cow. New Zealand, London. Somebody, it's 12:10 p.m.
Oh boy. Hey, thank you, Hazelnuts, for following.
Europe.
Oh man. Okay. So why isn't this sending?
Maybe run some print statements, like print the to send and see if my name printed out. So go in the database. Oh yeah, so go change it in the always on script to just print some stuff out.
Mm-hmm.
And then go in the database and just keep changing our times until like a minute ahead and see what happens.
Okay, so just print, let's see, we'll do
Literally just print
all kinds
row
of things.
in to send. So like line 50.
Mm. Yeah. Well, so you mean in the for loop then?
In the for loop, yeah, sure. Just print, or just print all of the contents of to send. It doesn't matter. It'll
Hey,
only
that's
do one
already
thing.
in there. It already has this person's getting sent wake up and then row. So we should see that somewhere.
That's already in the production code.
Yeah.
Oh, Marvin
whoa.
Major's watching, Noah.
Oh, hey Marvin. Okay. Now. Okay. Okay, I reloaded. And so now we have some errors in the tasks log.
Well, that's good at least. That gives us something we can trace.
Unknown column 05B2330C in field list. Yep, it's that one every time. And so then that happens line 89 in module send wake up text. '89. Oh, that's
Let's
just
see.
the call to it. So hopefully I can find a better number. Line 60. Okay, so that's
the send message.
no, yeah. So it's inside the send wake up text. It's on line 60. When we insert into question answer values. And the error is unknown column 05B2330C.
So that's one of these IDs. Probably.
But that's a really small ID.
Well, no, it's probably like the end of an ID or for some reason. Oh, Let's see here. I know what it is, I think. Oh, no, you already made it a string up there.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, that's the string. And you just pass that in. Unknown ID. Wait, so the second one, that's supposed to be what, user ID? Should it have ticks around it on line 60?
Is user ID like a UUID?
It's a, yeah, but it's a string type.
If it's like a big UUID, then you should try that. Yeah, because before we were just playing with little, like 5-character ones. So that might be the problem. Let's see, Marvin, I believe that the full stream will be saved on Twitch once we complete it. I know some chunks of Noah's stream are already up on his because his stream is cut out a few times.
Yeah. It's only on Twitch for like 14 days, but so we might upload it to YouTube possibly. I might do something like that. Yeah, we do need breakfast and coffee.
So yeah, just try that. Put
Okay, but
parentheses around.
also false in the back does not have that. So why is, just trying to think why that
Well,
would be.
like in SQL, if there's like hash and an ID or something like that, if there's separators, it can lose them, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, because that's row 0, which means to send, which is grabbing users. So that's user ID.
Yep.
But then the error is unknown column 05B2330C in field list.
Yeah, I've been dealing with that kind of thing earlier. I think it is just the
Okay.
Just try
Wake
that.
up. Hey, I also got a message that says this person is getting sent wake up and it has my name. But my wake up time, oh, it was similar. It was 6 minutes ago. Should have been mine. So it was trying to send mine when it failed. Interesting. Okay, so I guess I'm just trying this. But not for the false.
You shouldn't need it for the false.
So I'm updating on 2 of them. Okay. And then that should be it.
And then you updated our times in the database?
I haven't done that yet. I mean, we should be able to do that through the app.
Okay, I'll do that through the app. How far ahead should I set it? Like, is it ready? Or should I give it a couple minutes?
Give it a couple minutes. I'm working on pushing it.
All right, 5:23. 5 minutes. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. I just configured it. I'm gonna go to the bathroom so I don't just stare at my phone for the next 5 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, breakfast would be nice about now. Okay. Let's reload that. Okay, we got 5 minutes. I'm gonna go get some water real quick.
All right, I'm back on.
Two more minutes.
Yep.
It should be going. Oh. I just kind of feel like trash.
Yep.
I got some grapes here. That's weird.
All right, it's 1 minute, I think.
In 1 minute?
Mm-hmm.
Everything is going extremely well. Let me put it this way, Mr. Hamer. The 9000 series is the most reliable computer ever made.
5:23.
Okay.
Nothing yet.
For whatever reason. And nothing in the logs. My video turned off. Man, it's so slow. Oh, I got
yeah, so-
something.
Okay.
Okay, so we got lots of MySQL connection not available. No module named functions phone to number. Oh no. Wait. Where am I? This is on the error logs. Oh yeah. But I wonder if that could mess with things.
It
So-
definitely could mess with things, I think.
Phone to form. So that's in. Receive SMS. Phone to form. Phone to. Farm. Okay. Fixed. Clear
What is
the
it that you're not sure
table
about?
data. Oh, just yeah. Nothing in particular.
Okay, good. So you found a bug and you knew what.
Yeah, and
It
I
was-
fixed it and
Okay.
pushed it, and I guess I'll reload. But I'm not sure if that would have effect on the task.
Well, the task is trying to call all sorts of other stuff, right? Right. I mean,
True.
it's trying to call the charge user and the send message and the.
Okay, do you want to update your time? I guess I can do that too.
Yep, I will. So let's see. Can I do it soon, or do I need to get 5 minutes again?
You can do it probably. Well, I should probably just reload that. You should probably do it in like 2 minutes.
Okay.
I'm gonna update my wake up time as well.
So 5:29. It should go. Let's see. Not a vision. We did not set up the free strike. We've been testing since, I mean, about midnight, I think.
Yeah, close to it.
Marvin, so both Noah and I have been working full time on Coffee Pass, our main startup for what, like 6 months now, basically.
6 months. What, full time?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's been like 7.
Yeah, maybe. I think that's MGRXX. We've been up since 6 a.m. yesterday. So almost 24 hours now.
So mine says wake up time in 30 minutes. Yours is 29 minutes. So if I click on update my profile, it should now fill. Okay, interesting. It fills the phone number correctly, but it puts country code as just a 1 instead of with the plus.
5:29. Come on, snooze you lose. So Noah, I think if this doesn't work right now, I think I should go into Product Hunt and delay our launch by an hour or something. Does that seem right?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Okay. So, and like my error handler, I'm getting a lot of MySQL connection not available.
So I wonder if that's like the cursor thing.
It could be. But like we were able to update. Well, or it's not necessarily the cursor thing. It could just be errors that makes it so that if we have errors. Oh wow. I think there's Hello world. Oh, it took me to the top. Never mind. Yeah, like it could be there's an error in the task, and so then it takes up. Yeah, there's nothing new in the task error log itself. So I should have just got a message.
Yeah, 3 hours. Okay. So I just moved our launch until 7 a.m. Eastern. So that we'll make this thing a full 25 hours. Because
Oh
24
boy.
is not enough.
Oh boy.
MGRXX, we use SQL Alchemy throughout the REST API. We didn't use it for the separate always-on script, just for the prototyping reasons that you described. If this app gets traction and we keep doing some dev on it, we'll certainly make it robust, and that'll be one of the first things that we would try to do.
Okay. The problem is there's not much. We're not getting much info about what's going wrong. So like the last thing we knew was unknown column in field list.
Unknown column in field.
Yeah, it was like the unknown column 05B2330C, and it's a MySQL error. So that makes sense that it was kind of what we changed, but we're not really getting anything out of it. Here, maybe I'll try reloading. And then I'll reload the task. Maybe that would reset some things if it was a connection issue.
So do you want me to change my time again?
Yep. In like 2 minutes or something. Like do it for like 2 minutes.
Okay. Let's see, just so people can see. Five 35 a.m. Okay. Should go off at 5:35.
Says it's running.
So one of the viewers in my stream had an interesting idea. We could try just manually running that task from the command line. And then we just sit and be able to watch the output there.
So we'd have to connect to a database, which we could.
Well, I mean, the script, again, all you're doing is just running the same script, the always on script. But now it'll just be streaming output to the console.
Yeah, that would be good. Maybe we should try that.
So let's see, 5:35. So expecting a text.
Okay, so I just tried running it, and I get an error, valid syntax, line 47.
Line 47.
The three, it's kind of like pointing at the three quotes.
Line 47 of what? Of the
Always on. It's pointing at the three quotes. Why though? Or is there any reason to be different? Or maybe, so I didn't do Python 3.6. Maybe I have to do that.
Oh yeah, it was probably a problem with the F string. Because F strings are new in, I think, 3.6.
Do you have 3.6 on local? Because when I run Python 3.6, I don't get anything. Command not found.
Missing closed bracket at the end of what, Alpha Dog?
Seems like we have all the brackets on 47. Yeah. Hmm. $47. I'm not seeing it. It seems like it's right to me. Let's see.
No, you can try like just Python 3 instead of 3 point whatever. Actually, what command did you run in the always on task?
I did Python 3.6.
Okay.
And that's because that's what we're running on Python Anywhere. So now I just get the no module py MySQL.
Yeah, would that make?
That makes sense. Because we need that stuff. Which I would have to install with pip. Make like a virtual environment or something.
Well, you can just do pip3 install -- user and then PyMySQL.
Yeah, like the same thing we do on. Let's try this. Pip3 maybe?
Yeah.
installed.
And then you should be able to run just Python 3.
But
Always
we're
on
gonna have to
.py.
now install probably multiple things. Now I need Twilio. This installs globally on my computer or something?
Are you doing this locally or on Python Anywhere?
Locally.
Oh, I thought you were doing this all on Python Anywhere.
No, I mean Python Anywhere already has all these dependencies. The dependencies are definitely not the issue for Python Anywhere.
Right. So
But
why don't you just run it in a console in Python Anywhere?
yeah, but let's try that. Then we can actually run it as 3.6 as well. Oh no. Ugh. Okay. It is supposed to be running, but it's doing nothing.
Which that makes sense. But it's good if it's not erroring out.
Okay, so now we need to change one of our times again, I guess.
Okay, I'll go do that. So I can change it to like whenever I want, right? Because it's already running.
Mm-hmm.
So 5:43. Then hopefully we see some fireworks at 5:43.
Well, yeah, fireworks is in something bad that tells us what to do.
I don't care, just if we see anything. So something bad that tells us what to do, or it works. If it's a win-win. If those happen.
Well, if it works, then we're still confused because it didn't work on the always on task.
That's true. Man.
5:43.
Any output? No text yet.
Nothing. Man, you want to see something.
So like maybe check the database. Make sure everything was stored correctly. I don't know, man. I'll be right back.
Okay. Got something back here. Always on. Send wake up text. Execute. Line 16. So it happens somewhere in an execute. Keyboard interrupt. So this might be just something that happened because I did Control C. Oops. Connection cursors. Send wake up text. What could it be? Line 16, always on.
Figured it out, right?
Well, no, but I don't think this maybe has anything to do with anything, but I did Control C just to finish that, and it then had like an error, but I think it might just be a keyboard interrupt thing. But it says line 47 and always on.py, but it doesn't really say what an error is or anything.
Well, so what is on line 47? What does it say?
It says, and u.wakeup time minutes equals now.minute, colon, 3 quotes, and a parenthesis. Okay. Which all seems fine.
So, what if we just get rid of the triple quotes and just move it all up to a single line, right? It's just like an appearance thing.
Yeah. Just try it out, I guess.
And then
Then what?
we should get rid of, just temporarily, just get rid of the minutes criteria, maybe. And only do the hours criteria. And see if it gives us anybody that way. So we're not worried about like catching the minute.
That makes sense. I'll just comment that out. Which it could, yeah, that could make it like send lots of messages, but we'll see what happens.
I don't think it will though, because as soon as it sends one, it's moving you to the queue, to the wake up queue, and after you're in the wake up queue, it won't send you a message
until you send
Get
a
out
success.
of the wake up queue.
Yeah, so once you send in your answer, then it would hit you again. Okay, I think I got this right here.
Only
Okay.
if it's the right answer though.
Okay.
Let's see, Noah, have you looked at the queue and confirmed that nothing got into it ever?
Yeah, I'll take a look real quick. Nothing is in the queue.
Okay.
I'm just gonna reload this real quick.
And in theory, as soon as it like starts running, we should get texts. And if we don't, then we can trace the error back further.
I think it must have been still reloading or something because it says no application found. So yeah, let's try again. Still no application found. Send messages. Okay, trying this again. That is weird. So now we have, it keeps saying no application found. Reload Python anywhere again. Okay, so this is interesting. Here, I'll send this to you. So,
In Slack?
yeah. There you go. So, it's trying to send a wake up. But then it's saying that no application is found.
Yeah, send wake up. Okay, I had an issue like this.
Line 61, send wake up text.
So it's the send message, right?
Mm-hmm. Wake up Rose.
So it's something in send message that's the problem.
Send message.
Okay. I know what I think it is. Well, I know along the right track. I think it's something with that models.db that you're importing that models.db.
Mm-hmm. And that's a different DB than what you're dealing with, maybe. Because you have your own DB.
Mm-hmm.
And you're passing in users' messages. But yours... I mean, so you're importing that same DB, though.
Maybe that's the problem, though. Maybe do I still import models.db import db? In always on?
Probably not, but I think how it would work is that you would reset it on line 19 anyways, so it might not matter. But I mean, might as well take that out, I guess. Yeah, it's really confusing with the tasks versus the other stuff. Let me look at our other always on tasks we've done before. It's like task order received. That one always worked. Oh, maybe that's what it is. So it says no application found. So it could, so it's either, it could be just an issue that we're running this in the command line instead, or it's because the DB you have is not initialized with the app, and then we're trying to send that to somewhere else in the send message.
We don't try to send it anywhere, I don't think.
But you send the users and the messages models, and those rely on that DB. But I don't know. Because
I think I did the same thing in the received messages thing, though.
Track orders received. There's just one DB in there, and it doesn't send out to anything else. So yeah, maybe what it is that we're trying to use SQL Alchemy. And SQL Alchemy needs like the app to be initialized and stuff and all those things, where send message is trying to use SQL Alchemy, but it can't within like a task on its own. It's like, what if we... So all that send message is really doing, just grabbing the Twilio account stuff, sending, and then it's the only reason. So it needs the user to get the phone number, but you could pass that. So how about let's just try taking out a piece of send message and putting it right in always on. Want to do that?
That's fine. Why not just like pass default parameters in the send message? Well, whatever. Yeah, it sounds like you have a clear picture. Let's do yours.
Yeah, I guess it's used in a lot of places that's actually used in the app, and so then we'd have to change it on all those places. Or if we just change where we're at here, that would maybe here. I'll just do
Happy 24 hours.
Wow. Wowzers. Okay, so you'll just need to pass the phone number. A message. Don't really care about message type. Basically, I'm just going to get rid of the things that aren't necessary in this and just send the text. And then we need to do, grab the stuff. So user ID is row 0, right? Oh wait, we don't need user ID. We just need phone number. So that's going to be row row 2.
Yep. 012, yeah.
Okay, and then we send a message here. And you're passing in user 1. So user is in check time, which is wake up queue. Oh boy, so we're gonna have to somehow get the phone number. So we got the user ID. And we can't use SQL Alchemy.
That's straightforward enough, right?
Yeah, so it's gonna be execute C select all from users where user. I don't use like the F string very much. So you just put it in, just allows you to do squigglies to put values in.
Yep.
User 1. Are you able to see my screen? So I think, so select all from users where user ID. Actually, let's just select phone number from users where user ID is that. And that I think is it. So then this will return number. And then we do what, number 0? Is that how it's returned? Because, or it's number, you always have to loop through it. So maybe it's number 00.
I think it's 00. Yeah, to get the one specific thing.
Yeah, just to get the phone number, which is right here from users where user ID equals that. And then, and equals, yep. I think I need a semicolon at the end. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. But you didn't use a semicolon there. That's weird. think there's semicolon. Because you have a semicolon at the end of this. Okay. So we get that. Number 00. Send message. This is send message here. All right, we'll try this. My eyes really hurt. Okay. So just load this.
Now we probably have to change the hour because it switched.
It's just running right now. But that's, yeah, so I think that's what it's only airing once it's trying to send messages currently. So, I mean, that's partially good that it's working to part of that. Yeah, that control C always gives me the keyboard interrupt. So, yeah.
Right, that's normal.
So, yeah, we'll do updates. So we just, now it has to be in 6.
Well, not quite, right? 10, I think.
Oh, I was thinking about our current time as I'm putting this
right.
in. It's
Yeah,
kind of
so
hard on
that's
mobile.
10 in UTC. Yeah, it's changed our wake up time hours. To 10.
Yep, I'll take a look. It changed mine. Yours is still at 9. You updated it?
Oh no, I thought you were doing it in the database.
Oh no. Yeah, I guess I can do that.
There's not a great reason for us to keep going through that form.
Okay. Set wake up time hours equal to 10 where equals okay. So we're both at 10. And so now I'm going to run it. Hey! Good morning from Snooze. You lose. What is 9 times 6?
There, I got it.
Yep, it says this person's getting sent up. Wake up, Noah and Andrew Bidwin. Oh
So
man, the first wake up message. It has happened.
You respond, and then I'm not going to respond, and I want to see what happens. Okay?
I'm going to first be wrong though, because then you get to test things twice. Or I get to test basically the same thing. Because, let's see, I'm just going to go to receive SNS. So actually, let me look in the queue real fast. All from, what is it? I can't remember anything right now. Wake up queue.
I know.
Okay, we're not in the wake up queue though. Right now. That's not good. Because that's how we're going to... Let's see. So we should execute insert wake up queue. I should have added those 2 rows. Now an execute function doesn't have to actually... Yeah, you just do execute.
Doesn't what?
Do you have to do db commit?
I don't know, maybe.
So that's, I think so. Because that's what we do in track orders received when it's using .commit. Yeah.
So that's the problem then. Actually, I mean, that doesn't make a lot of sense though, because I was ending up in the queue before. I don't know, whatever.
We haven't had any data in the queue yet.
I did. Locally, I had data in the queue because I was running it, like this hour test, and it would only message me so it would message me, then I'd go in the queue, so then it wouldn't, and then as soon as I got out of the queue, it'd start messaging me again.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is interesting. This is at least testing another thing. So basically, if you text anything other than edit, or if you're not in the queue when you're texting an answer, it will say, sorry, I don't know that command. You can type the command edit to change your wake up time or other settings. Enjoy waking up. So that's good, at least. So yeah, we're not in the queue. I think this db.commit will do it. And we'll do that. And then there's not other insert. There is a delete though, so in charge sleep in. So we'll want a db.commit here. Okay.
Yeah, I agree. We do need a db.commit.
Well, that's good. We know what we need to do. Okay. Added db.commit.
So what I don't understand is why did it not text nonstop then?
Yeah. Yeah. That is odd. Okay. I'm gonna stop this. All right, so what do we want to... We shouldn't have to do anything. Yeah, it should be just sending us another text, I think. Okay. Ready for this?
Yep.
Good morning from Snooze You Lose. All right, let me check the database. We're in there. Okay.
Nice.
We got a
I still don't have
timestamp.
my text. Oh, there it is. Okay, perfect. So then you're gonna get the answer wrong, right?
Yep. Let's see. Select off from... I want to see question, answer. Nice. Oh, wow, that's interesting. We got the same question. Somehow.
You and I?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, really?
That's how I wrote it, I think.
So for every minute, people will get the same question, but then it'll be different after that.
Yeah, because otherwise it's generating like a ton. It's doing a bunch of extra calculations that it doesn't need.
All right, I'm sending in a text.
And it's gonna be you're sending a wrong one, right?
Incorrect answer. Are you really awake? Try again before time runs out. Yes. I like that one. Okay.
It's so funny. Sporadic capitalization.
Mine? Oh, incorrect answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, should I fix that?
Well, I don't see that one. I just see like good morning.
Yeah.
Like capital G good, capital M morning.
Well, hopefully someone will appreciate that.
You can't change that.
No, I can change
Don't change
it.
that one though, because I already put that on the text.
Don't change
No,
which.
don't.
I don't have to change it.
Because I already put. Don't put the good morning. Because I already put that on all of our graphics for our landing page and for our product hunt launch.
All right, I'm gonna send in a correct answer here. Ready for this?
Okay. I'm ready.
You successfully woke up. Have a great day. You can always make snooze you lose changes to by typing the command edit. Boom. It actually worked.
And I'm still waiting. Hopefully it'll charge me because I'm just not going to send anything in.
Yeah, so I'm gonna check the from wake up queue. So I am gone. Only you are in there now. Perfect. That's what we wanted. And then if I look at question answer, it now has a success that I did wake up, in fact. So this
Look
is
at you.
this is good. It's coming together right at the end. I sent in an edit text, but I'm not getting one back. So, has it been 5 minutes?
No, I don't think so. It's been 3 minutes according to my phone.
Well, that's enough time for someone to wake up. So,
Yeah, so I guess really our app is just encouraging 4 minutes of snoozing.
yeah. Test the waters. So I got
But that might be perfect. We might make more money that way.
Mm-hmm. So I got I think this is new, maybe. I accidentally left for a second.
So you got a something, but I don't know what.
Yeah, so it's like, so I did edit this time and it worked, but it's like we get connection unavailable sometimes, I think.
Is it? Do you have the SQL console up for Python Anywhere?
Yeah.
I noticed I had trouble with Palmish when I'd have the console up.
For MySQL?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, were you using a free account?
Yep.
Oh yeah, because it takes one of your connections.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, should you be getting a text?
Pretty quick. Yeah, it's been 5 minutes.
So it's been 5 minutes?
Come on. Yep.
Oh, error. Unknown column. Wait a second. Yeah, unknown column B85BE83F and where cause. Oh, so this is going to be similar to something we saw before. So in change sleep in, it might be the user on line 91, I bet.
I mean, yeah, your line numbers don't match mine.
Oh yeah.
I see there's
Like in the user dash one. Actually, on the line 85 too. So like, well, so like, did we do that before? So like with row 0, we had to put the commas around it. So I think everywhere we have user dash 1, we got to put the little ticks.
parentheses, right?
Yeah, single
parens.
And I think that will fix that error. Man, the anticipation just to get an error. Oops. Okay. I think this will work.
So I should get a good morning text right away, right?
Oh yeah, or you should get a failure text right away, right?
Oh, because I am in the queue. Yeah.
Well, unless, yeah, because it didn't succeed, so it probably didn't remove you from the queue. So yeah, you should get something right away. It ticks. Okay. It's been pushed, and now I'll do a reload. All right, are you ready to get your text?
Oh, yeah. You failed to wake up. You've been charged 10.
And I got a good morning. I got a good morning again.
So let's change that message to include a $sign and a period. And then I got a good morning right away then, which makes sense.
Yep. So I probably should stop it then. We're just charging ourselves texts. Okay, but I think it works.
So now we just got to check the minute thing again.
Yep.
Right.
So you're saying you failed to wake up.
Down.
You've been charged. Put a $sign.
Add a $sign in front.
And a period.
And then a period after.
How about an exclamation mark? And then
I mean, that's...
should we say something about this money will be, you just donated to, you just donated some money. Should we say that as well?
I don't know. I'm having trouble figuring out how we want to balance you just donated money, because every time we say it, either we have to emphasize and you also gave money to us, or we have to be kind of slimy feeling, and I don't want to be slimy feeling about it.
Yeah.
I don't, just leave it. It doesn't really matter.
Yep. We'll just leave it like that. And then I got to add back this.
And then we're both going to be in the queue right now.
Why are we both in the queue?
Well, remember, didn't we just got text at the end?
Oh, that's right. That's right. Okay. And so wake up equals now dot minute. I think that's good. Check for minutes. Okay. All right. So, let's see. Are we going to get a message right away then? But we might not
No,
because of the minute. Yep.
because we're in the queue. Well, not because of the minute, because we're in the queue.
Oh, yeah.
So it might be a failed one, but I don't think it's been quite 5 minutes.
Okay, perfect. So I ran it and it didn't send out to anyone, which is correct. All right, I'm going to go to the bathroom.
So Noah, are you back?
Hey, hey.
It didn't quite act like I expected.
How's that?
So it said I successfully woke up, But then I would have expected I would have gotten another text instantly.
Because of the minutes?
Because the minutes is ignored.
Why would the minutes be ignored?
I thought didn't you strip out the minutes, or did you not do that?
I added the minutes back in
Oh,
so that it's the
got it.
actual version.
Okay. So then I'm gonna set my. I understand. So I'm gonna edit with my wake up time then.
So, I mean, it's looking pretty good right now. Like, we've pretty much tried everything. Right?
Well, we haven't actually tried it waking us up on the right minute. I don't think.
Oh. I guess that's true. Because we were already added to
It
the
should
queue.
Mm-hmm. This should wake me up at 6:33 then. So Noah, in that like line 77, 78, when we execute that delete from wake up queue,
Yep.
do we need the database.db.commit there or no?
Yep, it's there. Yep, it's right after that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right. I'm looking at the old code. All right. Hopefully 6:33 it wakes me up. I'm still pretty nervous though that we're gonna like charge a bunch of people. Like we're gonna have an issue. We're gonna charge like 100 people, like I don't know, like $500 or $1,000.
Well, I
On
just
our
got
first day.
I just got charged $100, so I'm feeling pretty salty. Well, so why do you think we'll charge them?
I think like I'm afraid something will error out, and so then we won't get their response, and then they'll get stuck in the queue.
If we don't get the response, that would be a problem. Yeah, so go ahead.
An idea. We can skip the charging people step if you want for like the first day and say normally you would have been charged now. But
yeah, and then it's like we could have, and actually, are you able to see in Stripe that we actually got charged?
yeah, I can go look.
That's
So, I should be getting a text now because it's 6:33.
That's not a terrible idea. Like literally we're just commenting out some code, changing the text. We don't charge for the first day, and then we can update it the day afterwards.
So I did not get a text at 6:33.
Okay, yeah, so we did. Oh, wait a second. No, it's on. The user is getting charged. Did you get charged last time? Yeah, you waited till you got charged.
Well, my most recent time was supposed to be it told me it was a success.
Let me see what's in the wake up queue. There's nothing in the wake up queue. So, so it removes you when you have a success. User is getting charged. BAB. So yeah, it's not gonna send you a text message now. From.
So should I move my time back again, I guess?
Yeah.
All right, so I should get it at 6:40 now then.
To wake up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean it's supposed to be still running here. Oh. From users. Yep, 6:40 for you. That's what it should do. I think that's a good idea what you're saying if for the first day. Do you want me to add that as changes?
Yeah.
So I mean I think that will all be in always on.
Right.
So I just comment out the charge.
All right. Do we still want to launch in 22 minutes?
I think so. Yeah.
I mean, we have to switch Stripe over to live if we're going to do that.
Yeah, that's the main thing. We got to switch over and then I mean, signing up and everything is working.
The edit your wake up is not working on it's not populating the stuff.
Yeah, that doesn't populate. But first day, not many people will be doing that, hopefully, and then hopefully that's something that we can update pretty quickly. Okay, so I'm commenting out this. And then I'm going to change the text. Another thing I think would be good is to have the question on its own line. So just put like a new line in there.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Maybe do that double new line like you've done a couple other places.
Yeah.
So it's 5 or 6:40.
So you should be getting it now?
Yep.
I don't see anything in the terminal saying stuff.
If I don't get it here, we should probably push back a little bit.
Yeah. 10:40. Oh wait. Oh yeah. So you said Sunday. Yeah, we got to make sure there's no bugs there with the days, because you only have Sunday on.
Well, today is Sunday, both my time and
UTC.
UTC.
Did you do just Sunday other days?
Did I what?
Did you I don't know.
Yep. All right. So a minute passed and I didn't get it. So I'm pushing our launch.
Freebie.
So now it's at 7:30. So now we have 50 minutes.
Given free charge. Okay, so I just said you failed to wake up. You've been charged so many dollars. You would have been charged so many dollars. You get a freebie today. Does that sound good?
Like while we're in beta. How about that? Because we don't want to tell them, oh, there's going to be freebies thrown in.
Yeah. Do people launch betas to hacker product? I mean,
we're going to be.
You get a freebie today while we're in beta.
I don't care. You don't have to say that. I see your point.
Yeah, I don't usually like. I mean, it depends. I think it depends on.
Hold on, I just got it. 6:43. Holy cow.
Okay, I see. It says sent wake up. Yeah. So why that time?
So I'm not going to respond.
To what? Oh, to the text?
Mm-hmm.
So at 8:30, I have to leave to go to church. I'm teaching Sunday school this morning. And I got all my stuff to clean up in this basement. I have to like lug out tables, all this stuff. So we'll suffer today. Okay. What do we want to do here? I think the editing isn't like the hugest deal. Well, I want to try editing my phone number again. Yeah, so it takes out the plus. Why is that? And like we need to like, I don't know, do a couple posts or something, right? For the launch.
Social media posts, yeah.
I might do Twitter and Indie Hackers, and then I can do the other ones later. But we can't really do that till it's live. Or does it give you the link?
Yeah, but people can't vote on it until...
Well, yeah, I'm just saying at least we can write up whatever. Have it ready to send once it is live.
Yeah, I have the Hacker News title up. Written up. Because that's where I have to do Hacker News.
Yep.
And then social media. And then obviously Product Hunt.
Country code. Why is not getting the plus for me? Oh.
You failed to wake up, you've been charged $10.
Oh, good.
So that was right. I'm gonna set myself up for $6.50 now again.
I'll set myself. Actually, I'm gonna see if deactivating works correctly. Haven't tested that yet. Well, that works. I deleted myself, but just by doing the deactivate.
Well, did you confirm in the database?
Yeah, I looked in the database.
So at 6:50 here, I should get a text.
Ooh, yes. I'm just looking at the landing page. I haven't really looked at it yet. It does look really good with the with the
it came out
phones.
great.
It really does. And you made that image smaller. Oh no. I just got an email from Python Anywhere. You've used up your
It says
daily
what?
You've used up your daily CPU allowance of 2,000 seconds on Python Anywhere today, so your processes have been put in the tar pit. This means that they will continue to run, but at a reduced priority. There's more about the Python Anywhere tar pit here. So I'm pretty sure tar pit is just consoles and stuff. I don't think it's actual usage of the application, but it would make it like, oh, no wonder. It's because we're running it's because we're running the script continuously in the bash. That's why.
Well, you don't think the always on tasks go towards that?
I don't think so. I can look. But that could have been why you didn't receive a text message right away and you received it a minute or two late or something, possibly.
Well, right, and I'm already a minute late right now.
Well, so I mean, it running in the console is definitely, I know that's for sure the tar pit. Let's see if yeah, let's see if running in compose in the consoles is that everyone should be able to do a fair bit of number crunching. They're reset once a day. Your processes get lower priority than everybody else's, but they do still run. Being in the tar pit does not affect your web apps. Currently, the tar pit only applies to console, scheduled tasks, and always-on tasks.
Yeah.
Always-on tasks are stopped and restarted when you go into and out of the tar pit. There is a short period during this when the task is not running. So you just missed your text, right?
Yep.
So it's literally because it's probably not running right now. Here, I'm gonna quit it on the bash. How do I get out? Here comes the upsell. Naturally, paying users get higher limits than free users. So if you're finding yourself in the tar pit a lot, you might want to think about upgrading your account. The seconds are seconds of CPU time, so any time that the processor spends working on your code. Internally, we measure it in nanoseconds. If you kick off a process with a busy loop, you should find yourself using up your allowance at approximately 1 second per second. It's a cumulative counter though, so if you kick off multiple processes at the same time, you can get through it faster. So we only get 2,000 seconds a day. So
I mean, so we can, if we just like sleep for 30 seconds every time, that'll go a long way.
So yeah, we can only run for 33 minutes if we are running continuously, and that's why probably in the last half hour we ran into it.
I think we're gonna kill this. I think we're gonna kill Snooze You Lose by launching like this.
Um, So, like, we can buy seconds basically as well. 10,000 seconds is $13 a month. 30,000 seconds is $33. So if we do a sleep, yeah, if we do a sleep every 30 seconds, we'll still hit a minute. And that will save like a lot of time. So how about this? What if we do like a sleep every 35 seconds, something like that? Maybe 40 seconds. That will gain us a lot more time. And then we could pay like $40 for this month or something.
Well, we're not even sure that that helps us.
Yeah, it gives you more CPU time.
I understand what it's supposed to do, but are we sure we can get out of the tar pit today if we buy that? And then, are we sure that we're not going to use that up still?
So I think so. Like, so it says that, let's just see. So for example, if we buy, let's just go with this. If we buy 40,000 seconds, it'll be $43. And then 40,000 by 60, and then by 60 again will last for 11 hours. But if we're only really, but then we multiply that by 30. If the sleep helps that much, then we have 333 hours.
Where did you get multiplied by 30?
For sleeping, yeah, maybe 30's not right. 30's not right times hours. It'd be 30 times seconds, I guess. So like 40,000 times 30, but by 60 means that we get 20,000 minutes. By 60 again. 333 hours. Is that what
Per
I said?
month?
This would be per day. Wait, that doesn't make sense. That seems like a lot.
Why? I don't know why you're multiplying by 30. I don't think you need to multiply by 30. We don't know how long the process takes.
But we know that the process is continuous. It's in a while loop that's true. So it's always doing things. Where if we do like a sleep, that could help a lot. It might not be as good as just 30, but
I agree. Well, right, like if the process takes 30 seconds, then it would be multiplying by 2 how many hours we'd get.
By 60. So you're saying like, so if we did 40,000 seconds times 2, divided by 60. To get us minutes. So that's 1,333 minutes. So 22 hours. Yeah.
And then do we know we get out of the tar pit right away?
Let me see how they say it. How do I get out? Here comes the upsell. Naturally, paying users get higher limits than free users. So if you're finding yourself in the tar pit a lot, you might want to think about upgrading your account. But what it does, so that doesn't make it sound like a for sure thing. Where in the email it told me you've used up your daily CPU allowance of 2,000 seconds. So your processes have put in the tar pit. You can get more CPU resources by upgrading your Python Anywhere plan from the accounts page. So yeah, I think if we buy more seconds, like we automatically at least get those seconds for the day.
Okay, so let's talk about it then. If we're gonna buy these seconds, assuming it works, then we gotta just still test that this actually wakes up on the minute it's supposed to wake up, right?
Yeah, with the 30-second thing.
And we only have an hour now, because you have to leave at 8:30 and you have to clear stuff out or whatever.
Yeah, I just have all my stuff for the stream. I gotta take up. Yeah.
Well, hurry up, because we're live.
We're live.
Yeah. I don't know what happened,
Local
but it
tweet
posted at 7
time.
o'clock.
I don't see us on there. Oh, I see. Newest. Okay.
So buy the seconds. I guess the decision got made for us.
Yeah. Okay. So what are you thinking? Like, if we buy like 30,000, it'll be $33. If we buy 40,000, it'll be $43. Let's go with like $35 worth. Does that sound good? So 32,000 seconds.
Okay, that's like half a day. But yeah, that's plenty. That's like more than we'll need.
So you want to go less than that then?
So, this sucks. Let's say our process takes 10 seconds, which I think is pretty realistic. So then we can multiply by 4 how many seconds we need. And so then that many seconds in a day divided by 4. So we need like 21,600 seconds.
So 24,000 seconds?
25,000. Sure,
Okay.
24,000. That's good. And then you need to do the sleep thing, though.
Yeah.
Oh, crap. We have to go get our live. Oh, man. All right, I'm going to go make the paper forms live.
The paper forms aren't live?
Well, they're not the live stripe.
Oh yeah, Stripe.
Okay. That's live. And I don't think we have payments in the other ones anymore. Okay. Well, I guess this is happening.
I guess so. All right. Okay. So that has been bought.
So put the sleep in the always on
Yep.
and sleep for 30 seconds, I think.
Yeah. So I'll just put at the end of the while loop, I guess.
Yep.
Actually, here's another thought. So in our tasks, can we do a task that runs every 30 seconds automatically in Python Anywhere? Looks like daily, hourly. Oh, that's it. Looks like that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Never mind. Limitations of Python Anywhere.
If we're sleeping for 30 seconds, is it worth closing and opening new cursors?
Yeah, probably. Okay. Let's see. This is so hard to do and just tired.
And then we're not charging yet, right? That's already deployed.
Yeah, so we're not charging. the always on is not deployed at all currently. Well, yeah. Because
And then you probably want to delete the database, right?
yeah. So I gotta make sure to do this cursor stuff right. So we really only want to connect to the database once, I think. And then we just create the cursor. So right now the cursor's like a global kind of thing. Maybe I create it. Yeah, I'll create it in the loop and then close it at the end of the loop. And
then
I'll pass
into
it
the
in.
functions.
Yeah. So we pass it in, and then we just do, at the end, before we sleep, we do cursor dot close. So did we do the track orders received? Was that on an always on task?
Yeah.
Okay. Because on that one, I see. In that one, we didn't do the while true. We just let it run, and then it runs again. I mean, it's the same thing. I was just trying to see what we did differently.
Mm-hmm.
Or if it was different. Okay, so we close, and then we create it again, and then we sleep. Okay, I think this is looking good. Are you able to see, just to validate?
Just a second. So I can see now. So you create the cursor. Yeah. Pass in.
Pass into both of them. Both of them have the parameters here.
Yeah.
And then sleep, and then I had to import time, because, yeah, import time. Dot sleep.
Okay.
All right, so
Probably delete the database quick. That seems like the next priority before we get other people signed up.
okay.
Or I guess we can just delete individual people. That might be easier, and then it's not a rush.
I mean, it's not hard to do right now. We're the only 2 people in here right now. Drop table users.
I think you could have just done drop tables.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Oh.
Well, they're gone. Okay. Okay. Ah. Okay. So, oh wait. Did you change the stripe stuff?
No, we don't need the stripe stuff in the actual back end yet since we're not charging.
Yeah, but we only set that up the first time they make an account.
Oh, I did that. Yeah. You're talking about in the paper form or whatever. Yeah. Right?
Yeah. So you did that. So they're creating in real customer IDs, all I guess that matters right now.
Yep.
But you
And that's
didn't change like tests
token.
tokens.
I did not set the test token to the other token.
Okay, that's good. That works. And then so I'm reloading. Okay. So now I just gotta get the task running, I guess, so that we can test it.
Yep. Are you sure we're out of the tar pit too?
You have no tasks yet. Hold on. Well, yeah, so I'll look. I think it said on web that we were in the tar pit before. Yeah, it said on here that we were, and so it's, yeah, we're out.
Okay.
Python 3.6 home slash snooze slash my site slash always on.py. Always on.py. Create. Okay, that's starting. Okay.
So should I go sign up, create an account?
Yeah. I have so many tabs and apps and things all open everywhere.
I know. Me too.
Okay.
Okay. So I signed up and I should be getting a notification at 7:22. Oh, so thanks for trying Snooze You Lose. We will help keep you accountable to wake up on time. So then I can go look at Stripe. And that should have been added to the customers. Oh, that's interesting. That's really not great.
What?
So that hook gets sent twice. It got sent twice, so there's 2 Stripe users. And it got hook sent twice because I entered 2 different credit card information. And one credit card was wrong. It got rejected, but it still sent the webhook.
Oh, wow. So that's just if you have a...
So which one is in the database?
There's only one in the database.
So the right one is, let me see. So 2, 4. So the right one should be customer FBSOGA.
Yep.
Okay,
That's
so
in
that's
there.
correct.
So you're saying that you failed the first time.
Yeah, it didn't process my payment. Oh, and 722, I got my wake up.
Nice.
Sent back 0. Sent back my answer. Hopefully I get a response.
Yep.
Still no response.
Well, so you got the wake up on time, right?
Yep. And then I texted back the answer.
Oh, wait, so you texted back the answer and it's not responding.
Yeah.
That one should be not a part of...
All right, I got it now. So it was delayed. It was like a minute delayed.
And it's just a success?
Yeah, you successfully woke up.
I think Python Anywhere probably has some downsides to this kind of thing.
Yep.
Yeah, so like I'm not seeing any errors.
Well, yeah, I mean, it worked. It was just slow.
Yeah. Well, is there anything else that we need to do right now? Except send out some stuff?
Nothing that I can think of.
All right. Yeah, I'm sure Heroku.
You're sure what?
Sorry, I was answering someone in the chat.
All right.
Well, guys, we did it. We launched on Product Hunt. Go check it out. I just put
So
this,
you good
the
with me
link.
creating a Hacker News 1 post?
Yeah, that's good.
So this is supposed to be like a dry title. That's like very plain, just matter of fact.
Yeah, yep.
So what? Wake up accountability without downloading another app. That's the idea I had at like 3 in the morning.
Mm-hmm. That could be good. Yeah, so it's just very like, this is the benefit.
Yep. Okay, you want me to go with that?
Yeah. So yeah, you guys should check out Snoozy Lose, try it out. It's on Product Hunt.
Oh, I just got a "you failed to wake up" text.
Did you?
Yep.
So it worked. You
No,
said,
it did not work.
oh,
I successfully woke up. I got a "successfully woke up" text 4 minutes ago.
let me start off from user queues. There's nothing in the wake up queue right now.
Well, yeah, because I'm gone now. I got out of it because I got voted down.
But it didn't charge you, right?
Right. But it said it didn't.
Yeah. So yeah, why would that happen? Oh, so you already got it on Hacker News now.
Yep. Okay, put the Facebook post up. I think I've done everything that I'm supposed to do.
Well, definitely go check out Snooze You Lose, guys, on Product Hunt. And hope it is a fun thing to try out. I think it'll be cool to use.
Noah, do you know anything about messaging, like the people who saw this or anything like that?
From Twitch?
Yeah.
Not really.
Okay.
Alrighty, I think. Well, I think I'm probably gonna end the stream now.
Is that it? Are we done?
Maybe at least on the stream.
All right. Well, everybody be sure to go check us out on Product Hunt. Put a link in the chat. Thanks for following along. Send me a message on Twitter. Sorry for the delayed speech. It's been almost 26 hours now.
It hurts.
It hurts. We earned it. Blown away. Why is it only available in the US? Oh man, somebody says it's only available in the US.
Yeah, that's what Natavision just said on mine.
Where do you see that, Natavision? Because we want to change that. We specifically designed it so that wasn't true. In the sign-up form?
Oh, he's saying for like the +1 and stuff.
Oh, well, there's the other option.
Yeah, so you can put your extension there that goes up to the front of the number.
Yeah, just choose other, and then you give us your extension, and it'll work perfectly.
Yep. Alrighty. Well, I'm signing off, guys. It's been fun. Thanks for joining me and Drew on this adventure.
Yep, we really appreciate it.